show you how to use the attendance tool in your Desire to Learn course. Now, the attendance tool will enable you to create attendance registers that allow you to track and grade various activities in your course. And it's a three-step process, and we're going to walk through it with creating the register, adding the users, and then creating sessions within the register. And I'll explain this all as we go along. So from within your course, the first thing you want to do is click on the attendance link in the navigation bar. It will bring up attendance registers page, and you see you have attendance registers and new register. And since this is our first time using it, we're going to select new register. The nice thing about it is that it saves the register and allows you to move it from course to course. So you only need to create an attendance register once, and then you could move it each time. So you want to give it a name, and so we'll call ours course shell 40 attendance. And the reason we are doing it is because we can take it this register and use it in different courses, so I want to know which one I'm pulling. So I'm going to scroll down. You see you can give it a description, and then there's an attendance scheme, and that's another thing that you can set up, but right now this is our first time, so we're going to use the default scheme for the course. And underneath that, there's actually a cause for concern percentage where you can add the percentage of classes missed that will actually flag you and let you know that, hey, this student hasn't been showing up, and you may want to contact them. So you can set that percentage there if you like. You can allow your students to view the register. And then you see you can also break up your attendance shell by all users in the course, and then by groups and sections. So if you have a merged course that now has multiple sections, you can actually create an attendance register for each section to make it easier to find the students. So then once you do all that, then you would give your session names and descriptions. And the sessions are actually the items that you want to track attendance for. So we may call a class meeting 1, and then 2 and 3 and on down the line. Any item that you want to grade attendance for, you can add sessions. So we will add 2 by adding it, and you see I get that pop-up warning, and so we will just add these. Meeting 4, and then class meeting 5. And then once we have all the sessions added, you see you can arrange the order, you can delete them, you can give them a description. We're going to hit save. Now that I've created my attendance register and classes have begun, I want to begin adding student data. To do that, all I do is go back from the navigation bar on the course home page, select attendance, and then I would click on the register name, and I gave this attendance register course shell 40 name, and then you see what it brings us to is the attendance data view screen. You see you can view users, you can search users, go by class meeting times, and you'll see the totals here, P and A, and the percentage for present or absent. Now to grade an attendance, like if we've had our first class meeting and I want to go in and grade, I just click on this little edit bar next to the class meeting number 1. And you'll see here I can do things like select all and then enter a grade, or I can go individually into each student and check the attendance status as being present or absent. And on down the line, or as I said, we can do select all and then set status, and we can make them all present because it was the first day of class and everyone showed up. And so then we can select save, and we'll see that that's where they are in the attendance bar. So that is how you use the tool. We'll show you, go back in and view it again, and you'll see here now the class meeting 1, everyone was there. That's the attendance bar, how you use it once you've created the register. Again, it's a part process. You create the register, you add the users, your students, and then you create the sessions for which you want to take attendance. The nice thing about it is it's pretty much point and click editing after that to enter the students. You can create your own attendance grading schemes. So if you want to grade it and base it on percentages, you can do that. You can do nice things like give yourself a warning if a certain student is missing a specific percentage of classes, and you can contact them. And it's portable. You can then move it from course to course. So I hope you found this helpful.